Atta boy.
That was a banger.
That was a hello.
It's way better than fucking.
There we go. Man, that's how that smack goes. Oh, here we go. I got the brake right there.
The platforms are pretty good.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Fucking screaming.
Yeah, I love that. Yeah, it gives you a little hammer in the end. Let you know who's around, you know? That guy, watch out, he's gonna play his arm off. Oh my god.